My name is Armando and I'm 46 years old. Well, probably just to rent a room in New York City, plus bills, must be something like $1,500 per month, which I don't spend because I live in the streets. We all have to pay a price for the happiness that we're searching for, and we all make different choices. I decided to live in the streets for 4 years with the goal of having my retirement plan in properties. The biggest misconception about the homeless, which may not apply to my case, is that we don't do anything at all. And I am productive, I have a job, I have income, I pay taxes, I swim, I hike, and when I don't have anything to do, I see films on Netflix. But when you see the homeless people, at least in New York, yes, you feel they're not doing anything at all. Some, they have a dog, so somebody has to feed the dog. How come they're homeless and they have a dog? In the context of living as a homeless person, I need to change the places where I stay. Otherwise, people will notice it and they're going to complain or call the police. So I live in the roof of a building, I live in a cemetery, I live in parks. So I'm just trying to find a place that is comfortable and discreet. In the seasons, there are several elements. It's the heat, the snow, and the most challenging one is the rain. I have to dry everything after it rains. When it's too hot, I have to be aware of mosquitoes, and I cannot be in the sleeping bag because it's just too hot. And in the winter, when it snows, it's actually not a problem at all. I'm always warm, and because it's dry, it doesn't affect my equipment. I am enrolled in a gym that is near my job, near where I live, where I sleep. "70% of the food that I eat comes from the restaurants where I work, and the other 30% comes from the food that I buy in the supermarket and bottles of wine that I buy for $6 each bottle. Most of my friends are proud of the things that I'm achieving with the properties that I've built in 4 years. But on the other hand, they're asking me when I'm going to start having a normal life. And that's a question that I have myself every day. Hay momentos en donde Dios da una respuesta para el problema que viene. It's very challenging to live as a homeless person, very difficult. I'm mostly stressed. But what makes me go over it is I am designing my next property. And I know that that helps me on the creative side and it's helping me for my retirement plan. I wouldn't remind anybody to become a homeless person. What I would remind or suggest is you have to know which is the challenge you can take in your heart and your mind to achieve what you want. That's my suggestion. And sometimes people expect that life will provide you with things. And I don't expect that to happen. I know that my work and my dedication will provide that one day. One day.